All right, going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol PGPM. So I wanted to point this out. Eric Ace 2001 stock pick PGPM in the beginning of May for our May contest at 0011. Now at 0097. He was up 781%. I need to correct that because obviously this was yesterday's numbers, not including today's gains, which are currently at 0120. Okay, off that 0011, the calculated gain right now is 990%. What does that mean? Well, you still have a little bit left here in the month, but if this thing even sustains a little bit higher from where it's at, you would fall into the 1000% club over here on Investors Hangout, where you will get a crystal trophy Investors Hangout 1000% club. That one obviously be May 2017 with your name. Obviously, this one has an alias in it. This one had 1,328% gain with the stock ticker under it. So congratulations, hats off to you for where you're at right now. I mean, either way, you can drop off a little bit right now. You're still going to win the 500% club. So there's two clubs now, 500%, 1000%. Again, we're going to take a look at the chart, but I want to point that out to you guys that follow PGPM because that was called right here, and there's proof is right here from this member over here on Investors Hangout, and that's going to be number one out of 104 stock picks for the month. A lot, even another one under here at 279%, but we're making this about PGPM. We'll take a look at that one here in a few. With that being said, right here on the chart, the last time that we've looked at this one's going to be on 516, currently topping out right now at 0140, pulling back now a little bit. Volume pretty decent, 45 million shares traded so far today. Yesterday was 44 million, so you're already ahead of that. Ironically enough, over on May 17th as well, 45 million shares. The average volume for the last 20 days has been around 81 million shares. You're going to look like you're going to have a decent size support at the 0080 area. Where is it going to go from here? Well, the volume's still pretty steady. If it drops off, yes, you might start to pull back. I'm going to go out and put a wild guess on 01 being a major support level. It looks like of all the movements here, all of the other gaps are filled. I will put the gap on this one at the open at 01 with yesterday's close, and yesterday's close is going to be at 0097. I'm just going to mark that down. Break of that 0140 would definitely spike another big move like you've seen here the last 2 days. Again, it all comes down to that volume. That volume's so steady right now, it can keep going. It really could. If that volume slows down, yes, it's obviously going to start to pull back. So there's a little bit of a spread there to watch. We're going to continue to watch it as well. But hey, 990% in 19 days. I don't know about any of you, but I'd go home riding on that one. That's a heck of a move. Congratulations again.
All right, so not really seeing many like changes. They had a press release last time I went over it with you was what, on the 16th?
Yeah.
All right, so they had that press release on May 10th, but I know I already went over that with you. And then their filings, they issued their quarterly on May 17th. I pulled that up right there. I mean, you can go through that, and I mean, the way it's broken down is a little different. I'm not seeing any revenue or anything for the 3 months, but I mean, obviously, when you go back on all the press releases and see that they want to build like a facility or something like that in Texas. I mean, this one requires due diligence. So with that being said, you can either go back on the videos, that we have done, and then also go over to that PGPM board. From there, you'll see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. It's all right there for you to go and do some due diligence on. And if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily. I'm seeing like over here, it's got the skull and crossbones on OTC markets with the pink limited information. But I mean, they got the quarterly report up here now, so I'm not sure what's going to happen or what's going on with it. Because they also, there's an attorney letter with respect to current information that was submitted on May 17th as well. So that's that.
All right, and as far as this goes, like I say, the time and sales, if you guys follow PGPM, the time, the price, the volume, all this stuff is completely free over here on Investors Hangout. Unlimited posts, unlimited messages from user to user. Again, unlimited posts, completely free. Even all the data, all this stuff, other sites charge you for. That's a guaranteed. Again, all you got to do is click on the press release title and it'll pop out right in front of you. The time and sales, another one that I use all the time. A very, very useful tool. So if you're following the stock, like I say, all completely free. Resistance at 0120 and 0140, support at 01 and 008, gap at 0097, 01, all depends on volume. PGPM, if you follow the stock, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Get out there and share this video with all other investors on different social networks, stock message boards, and stock forums. The more you share it, the more it's requested, the more we cover it. And don't get fed up with the BS. If you follow the stock and other people just sit there spewing nonsense on different sites, hey, come over to Investors Hangout. I think you'll like it much better. So with that being said, PGPM, if you'd like to participate in our next live show, you can do so as well. InvestorsHangout.com/live.